Put your slippers. Go, 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 go. No. Contrario, sbagliato. Put properly. Right. Oh. Male. No, vieni qua, vieni qua. 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 Guarda, metti così a posto prima. Put like this. Like this. Oh. Okay? Go. Maaraw, sampay-sampay, si Buntis.
What's that?
Book.
What's this book?
Book, see. The... Ciao niyan pa muna. Ciao niyan pa, Dylan.
What's this?
Ciao, Pam Pam.
This?
What's this? Clown. A clown. What's this? Dylan, what's this?
Panda.
Panda.
What's this, Mama?
Clown.
Pato.
Pato, dove vai?
Avete posto?
No.
It looks like this. Something else. Did you see the face?
Yeah, there's red thing in the face. Good morning. Yan siya. Kita nyo naman, naka-t-shirt lang kami at sama na dito. Mainit-init ng konti. Pero pag nasa shadow, malamig. Chenona! Ada? Noni. Vaya na, saluta. Saluta, nono. Oh! Okay, that's good. Oh, job you. Nonna. Andata via. Ecco, il nonno. Dai. Vai. Così vai.
Dai, altro. Vieni con me. Vieni con me. Sì.
Corri.
Umiga.
Mamma mia, Buntis cleaning. It's getting ready for the delivery. Not yet. Guys, so laki ng tiyan. To Guida, you drive. Ha? Say ciao niyan, Pam. Sipon na, no? Sipon na naman. Sipon. And guys, so we have a good news to you. And very special news. Special news. We'll tell you later. Okay? Since we just started the vlog. Good morning, everyone. At puppets. It's not puppets. It's stuffed toys. Stuffed toys. Yan. So today ay Sabado, guys. At walang trabaho, no work. Oh! What happened? What happened? Sleep.
No, fight.
Bye. Yan. At magulo ang bahay. So naglilinis kami kasi Saturday, walang work. Yan. Pero kahit Saturday, guys, ito nag-work pa rin ako. May inedit ako yung shoot ko na sa sa horse. Na? Yan. Na? Oh, bawal. Bawal. So, since Saturday today, mamaya may dinner kami with the family of Nancy. And what happened? Buntis yan. Ayan siya. So guys, so mga hindi nakapanood, marami pa rin nagko-comment doon sa last video natin sa gender reveal na girl, boy, girl, boy. It's a boy, guys. So, it's a boy. So, doon sa mga iba siguro hindi natapos yung video kasi sa umpisa parang may pink na usok, 'di ba? Pero at the end it's a boy, no? Yung ating baby. So, another boy. So, another Dylan na makulit. Dylan, are you ready for your brother? Yeah? See? Are you ready, fratellino?
Sì, aspetta, dobbiamo capire come si mette, mamma. Io non voglio.
Oh, getting ready.
Aspetta, prendi.
Look. Oh, it's not for you.
Perché è questo?
It's for your brother. Dylan. So guys, after nyan, ano tayo, name reveal naman, no? Name reveal.
Non te le vuoi mai mettere?
Now, no.
Te le vuoi mettere? Ma certo, adesso proprio no.
And guys, so, what I want to say on this vlog, so sabihin na natin, let's just say, and then we continue the vlog, no? So, the due date. So guys, nalaman namin yung ano, Dylan.
No.
So, we found out last week kung kailan magde-deliver si Nancy. And unfortunately,
It's okay, no complaint.
no complaint, yeah. We have to go for cesarean. Pero there's still hope na umikot siya when the date. So unfortunately,
You will be watching this video. Probably I already delivered. So
Yeah.
Monday morning, I'll be in the hospital 7 a.m.
Monday morning, it means it's May 20. Yan, guys. So probably you're seeing this today, May 20, but she already delivered. So the next vlog will be baby reveal.
Maybe let's see.
Baby reveal, and
How
so
is it after cesarean?
yeah. So how is it? So it's delivery vlog, no? Like how is it, delivery vlog? No. It's here, yeah.
Yeah, usually it's like labor vlog.
Labor vlog,
There's
something
no
like
labor
this.
now.
Yeah. Yun,
Birth
guys.
vlog.
So we're
Birth.
birth vlog, yeah. Birth vlog. So we are really excited, guys, and anxious, nervous.
In one way, it's like it's okay to know already the date. Like this, you can prepare everything. No?
Yeah.
Because now we know the day before we were cleaning everything. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, it's true.
Otherwise, you're like maybe every day you need to clean a bit because after subito the dust will come.
Yeah. Yun, guys, it's kinda strange the feeling kasi alam mo na yung delivery date, no? So you have to prepare, you have to be ready, you have to go to the hospital very calm, very, you know, guys, it's not like before na you have to run. Last time, like Nancy is shouting already in the car, you have to run. It's kinda strange feeling na alam na natin yung birthday, alam na natin yung kung kailan mag-deliver si Nancy. But there is a twist on this. Sabi ng doktor, there are cases na umikot yung baby the day of the cesarean day, no? Very rare, but it's possible. So if that happen, we have to wait again when is the right way, the right
The baby is
original.
moving a lot, so
There's a
I have hope until the same day.
Until Monday, yeah. Say ciao niyan, fam ka na?
I said
Siya
that many
Dylan.
times. I accepted.
Siya Dylan.
I did the long work to accept it, but I did.
Yeah.
So, okay.
So now she's perfectly fine. Yeah, guys. So that's the news. Ciao, ciao. No. We'll continue the vlog. At least, you know, put in the comment down below. What do you think? Any suggestion? Anybody na nag-cesarean that mga suggestion about cesarean or whatever? Dylan, what? Where you go? Yeah, so ngayon naglilinis kami to prepare the house, no, for the arrival of the baby. So basically, you have to stay how many days? 2 days.
48 hours since the actual birth. So we go at 7 a.m. because there's appointment for all the women that need to do the C-section, and then we go in order in case there are some emergency C-section. There's time until 12. I don't know exactly the.
So around the midday,
in the morning. Can be
early in the morning.
At 8 in the morning, or I can be at 11. My friend, my colleague did. She went at 7. She did at 11.
Mm-hmm.
It depends on if there are emergency C-section. Like, obviously, we're not. The operation itself is around 40 minutes when they take
40 minutes, yeah. And the doctor
the
said...
delivery itself, it's 5 minutes. And then it's more the sewing, the stitches, and everything.
And the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. No. Then the doctor said I can enter the there. I don't know until where, or I can enter where they cut, when they cut.
Yeah. You're not there
That
in
is-
the moment of the injection for the spinal.
Can be my first time seeing
If you
Nancy's liver.
want, you will not see my liver.
That's everything. You can see no, for sure the intestine.
No, you don't see the intestine. They will cut. They don't cut.
They
here.
cut,
They
pero-
cut the uterus. It's down here. They will not cut the intestine.
Let's see. Kasi nung pinanganak si Dylan, guys, I'm there. I made a video na talagang lumabas si Dylan, but I lost the video, unfortunately. Pero I saw everything, so I know how this baby fell down from the... Because Nancy was stunned.
Didn't fall.
Yeah, because they catch
him
him and there is a pillow under. Because Nancy was standing when Nancy delivered Dylan. It's not laying down like that, so she was standing. Yun, guys. So I think it's lunchtime. Now we go prepare and clean the car later. I need to put the new this one is for Nancy's car. Bago for my car later. So guys, abangan nyo yung ating bird vlog. It's strange kasi you know na, alam nyo na, and it's not a surprise anymore.
You want to come with mommy, daddy, take your brother?
Hospital, you want to come? Huh? You want to come to the hospital?
You come with mommy, daddy, take your brother.
No. Better no, porque tu makulit. Tu makulit.
Brother.
Brother, si. Si. Makulit, Dylan. Sing ng tong-tong pakitong. Sing ng tong-tong pakitong.
No.
Dahil tong-tong pakitong. Si, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So guys, lunch time na. Prepare na tayo ng lunch. Ito puzzle guys, so update sa puzzle. Almost finished guys because I don't sleep just to finish this. Not really. Si Nancy lang halos bumuo niyan. Halos si Nancy lang kasi I'm busy. And Nancy, it's either she's studying over there or she's doing the puzzle. Yeah, so this is my place. This is Nancy's place now. You see, this is actually my table. Now became her table. Because I'm in the studio anyway. Yeah, anyway, because I'm in the studio every day. Kaya doon na ako nag-edit. Doon ako. Since Saturday, dito ako sa bahay. Alright. Oops. Yan. So, ito ko'y nananaba na naman, guys. For exercise. Dylan, say ciao, Nyampam. Ciao, Mancham. Itong bata na to. Ciao, Mancham. Sleep. Good night. Good night. Ang kulit niya, no? Ganyan niya kakulit, guys. Kulit. Sino makulit? Dylan. Sino makulit?
Dylan.
Sino?
I'm sorry that I've put you on the back burner. Other matters have occupied my brain. excuse to forget about you, but I guess.
Yan, so ito yung nabili naming Passeggino stroller para kay bagong baby. Ganyan siya, pwede siya pang malaki tapos convertible siya ng ganito. Pwede siya lagay yung ganito, guys. Para sa baby, pero sa Dylan. Dylan, come si Med. How you put this one? Ready na tayo, guys. Ready na pag-pick up. Na rin pag-pick up and everything's ready. Alright, kain na.
So it's more kissable, cause that's the spark that we need some days.
No, this is my chair. It's my chair.
No.
It's mine.
No.
It's my chair. You have that one.
The window.
This is my chair. For me or for you? For me? No, this is my chair. This one.
No. Window.
This one is my chair.
Window.
Where's your eyes? Oh, Dylan. Where's your eyes? Where's your ears? Ears. Ears. No, hair. Where's your nose? Ciao.
Follow me to my favorite tree. Well, I'm offering a steady hand. I could be
Che cosa hai visto? C'è questo? Ti piace questo? Perché?
Mangia il letto.
No.
Per me.
Dove si va a mangiare? Nah.
Mama.
Vieni, mangi là,
Oh, eccolo. Huh? Dove vai?
Come si fa to make you follow questo?
Double click.
In there first?
Alright, guys. So, kami ay papunta ng car wash. Si Dylan, yan. At si Mami Nancy. Si Mami Nancy doon sa sasakyan niya. So, kailangan din i-car wash yung sasakyan niya. Para ready tayo sa... Para malinis yung mga sasakyan before delivery. No? Kasi mamaya may dinner kami with the family ni Nancy. And bukas focus lang kami sa cleaning and preparing for Nancy. You know, relaxing. Oh. Yes, 2 macchine. 2 cars andiamo. Vai. Si, patito. Là sotto. Due macchine, andiamo. Sì, ok. Sì. Sì.
You've had your turn. Now I'll take my dose of patience. Take all the time you need, but I can't watch you leave without giving you the rest of me. Take all the time you need, all the time you need.
Where do you think I'm ouch!
Huh?
Where do you think I'm bigger?
Better.
Out! Out!
Okay.
See.
Bye. Where do you think Nancy's bigger? This one, it's Dylan. And the other one, it's the new baby. This we took today. Yan. So, write in the comment down below sino mas malaki. We think na mas malaki itong ngayon. So, naisip namin kung ano siya, kung regular yung birth, yung natural birth. Mukha mas mahihirapan siya kasi mukhang mas malaki itong baby na to eh. See? Okay, andiamo. Qua. Dylan. Andiamo. Let's go zio Guido. Yeah, vieni. Veloce.
Prendo le mani.
Yun, so punta na kami guys sa sa aming dinner with Nancy's family. Kaya maliwanag pa rin guys. Medyo may araw pa. 7 na, pero 7 na. Oh God, 7 na. Pero maliwanag pa rin. May araw pa nga Yun. So tara kami sa dinner and then update you na lang there later. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Malinis ng sakyan. Sarap mag-drive pag malinis sa sakyan. Alright, let's go. Amo. Veloce. Dylan. Ciao. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Pada pa yung ton nandiyan terus geramang. Pada. Why?
I didn't want to be without you. I guess I thought you'd read my mind.
Ciao. Buonasera.
And is it too late to allow you
C'è zio.
to see the mess behind these eyes? Oh, I don't mind.
Veloce.
I'll let you go and hear you cry.
Occhio, c'è Carabinieri.
If you had a long day,
C'è Carabinieri.
you had a long day. You never did a thing to hurt me. In fact, I know you'd never try. So then I wonder if I'm worthy to find a lover.
E questo invece è
Yan, family.
Francesco.
So, dito na kami sa bahay. Kararating lang namin. At, like as usual, hindi ako nakakapag-vlog kapag nagdi-dinner kami kasi dito sa kanila kapag ganun is medyo disrespectful. So, focus lang tayo sa presence ng everyone. So, dito na kami sa bahay. Hey guys.
come si chiama?
Ngayon, nag-ano sila ng mga classmates namin. Dylan. Classmate's name, examination. ¿Qué es eso? Daddy Dylan.
Si ven.
Yan guys, so tomorrow is Sunday and then Monday our big day, so stay tuned at abangan nyo ang aming birth vlog coming up yan after this vlog. So why baby? Why baby? Why? Okay, so ciao muna niyan pa. Ciao niyan pa. Okay guys, so how do you feel mo? It's getting the date is getting
Okay, excited, tired,
nervous. Nervous.
Right now, no.
Okay, right. Let's see tomorrow. All right, guys.
Non è che it's a matter of, cioè, secondo me, not even tomorrow will be
For sure in the morning.
in the morning.
For sure we will not sleep in the night.
Monday morning.
Imagine this baby will come out na after Nancy complaining every day that
This time, yeah, was
Yeah,
really
it's
painful
more difficult.
Physically for me, but fortunately the baby was always okay. With Dylan was the contrary because of the virus, but physically I was okay.
yeah, Dylan.
This time it killed me with all the virus that Dylan bring home with the vomit and the...
They are very active, this baby, and always kicking, moving every time. Anyway, guys, I want to end the vlog here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you on the birth vlog. We're very excited, and please write in the comment down below kung nakaabot ka dito sa ending ng vlog na ito. Congratulations. And good night, guys. See you next vlog. Ciao, ciao!